I will take one purchase order. I will click on this particular purchase order.
So select and click on adapt. Oh, it's
Okay,
giving
on
dump.
something current above program has to be terminated statement unfortunately. Program. If somebody is doing some experiments, then that will be a problem. PO when somebody is trying to do some enhancements. Just to deliver it. So you can see that where we are having. Is this a standard or anybody added? Follow document exist for STO. It looks like a standard only, but why we are getting this error, I don't know. ME process PO open. Here all are standard only, standard implementation. So NE22N. Once again, check recent purchase orders. Oh, this one. What you are saying here, we will have adopt button. Huh? Adopt means
Yes, yes, sir. Select and adapt. 1 second. There, one you select any sales order number, sir.
purchase
Near
order.
that, next to that flower, there is adopt button, sir. In that, no. Just that one, left side, middle one.
No, this is for
On
copying.
the
I just want to see that existing purchase order only, not
yeah,
copying. This is for copying. Ne?
it's not copy. It's adopt.
Nothing happened. Mm-hmm. I will do like this. I will place it in the basket. Mm-hmm. Put it 2 5.
Just click on the open that.
Ah,
Sir.
here itself document overview on or okay, other purchase document or something will be there. Ne? Here
No,
I will give this document number 2 5. Still,
it's
the
going dump.
problem is there in that program level. So normally, once we normally what we'll do, we'll put a breakpoint here and we'll go to the standard P code and we'll see that available parameters, required parameters are available or not. And after that, we'll try to manipulate. Then we'll see the result of that. First, our target is stopping here in a particular place, and we have to check these parameters. Our required information is available or not. And if this information is available, and we'll try to manipulate, and then we'll see the final result. Is it reaching to the table level or not? So that is our approach. So once you reach it here, how we are implementing, that is same. What we are going to write here, that is same. That is a pure ABAP. But how to develop that implementation, the body, that is different actually compared with exist. This is different. So these are the three ways actually. One option, the spiral button, we click and we check that as show implicit enhancements, and directly I created a project. That is directly inserting my code in a standard. This one is indirectly we are inserting. We are just adding our code here. Somewhere it will call in the standard program. In case of a exit or in case of a baddie, it will call indirectly. It will call. So we are writing our code here actually. So in all the places, in any type of the baddie, we'll have all these options. One for header, one for item, one for checking validation purpose, one for save. Like that, names little bit difference will be there at the time of posting, at the time of closing. So if it is a billing document number or accounting, similar names will be there. So in all the cases, we will have a header. With sales order level, it's a sales order header. With a purchase order level, it's a purchase order header. Sales order item, here it's a purchase order item. Like that, small difference will be there in the names. So header will implement a code here. The item will implement a code here. If it is a validation, we'll do this one. Here the posting, sometimes you will have a button like a save. Sometimes you will have a button like a post. That is just like a saving. At the time of saving, you want to do something. Then that will come under posting. So small difference will be there in the name, but similar methods will be there in all the places. So the approach with this is same actually. So normally how we'll find a baddie. So simply I told that okay, you this particular baddie directly go to SC18 and this is a baddie and you can use the baddie ME process PO. But who will give this name? If I didn't get anything from the net, how to find? Just like in a smart, we went there and we given a package and we found it. But in case of a baddie, how we'll find what is the relevant baddie for that particular T code? So just like we will check for any other VL03N. So we'll just check for delivery. Any delivery is available or in delivery also we are getting an error or something. I will take one delivery. I'm trying to display delivery. That means we don't have any issue with the delivery display. We are having a problem with the purchase order. So that's why we are skipping that and we are coming to here in the delivery level. Okay. So for this delivery, for this particular T code, I just want to know that what are relevant baddies. So just now I got the name for purchase order. So it's okay. For delivery, I didn't get anything from the net and nobody suggested that this particular baddie you can use. But what are the relevant baddies for this particular delivery? VL01 T code. Okay. How can we check that? So first point is just go to SC24. SC24 is for developing a class. Okay, in this you have to give like CL underscore exit underscore handler. In this we'll have one method called get existence. Once we reach to this place, we'll put a breakpoint here. Okay, what we did, we opened this CL underscore exit handler. In that we went to this get instance method. In that we just put a breakpoint here. Okay, for which transaction you want to do that. Before going to do that, so come here and put a breakpoint. Okay, later on what we have to do, just open your T code. Which T code? VL02N. If it is our change T code, just go there. Then it is coming to your place. Just check that exit name. So this is one baddie. So likewise, you can check all the baddies. What are the relevant baddies for, say, delivery? So this is a baddie. Then click F8. Once again, it will come back. This is another baddie. So likewise, we will find the baddies. What are the relevant baddies for the particular T code? Now we reach it to this and we are opening. And after that, once again, it will come here. This is another baddie. another baddie. Likewise, we'll note down all the baddies, and after that we'll go to SC18 and we'll check that which one is suitable for us. You got the point. How did I found that PO underscore customization is relevant to the purchase order? So at the time of opening the standard T code, before going to that, I just put a breakpoint in the class. Then after that, I just open the T code. Then the breakpoint is stopping. I noted down all the baddies. From that, I just went to SC18. I checked that what are the properties, my parameters are available or not. If my parameters are available, I will take those baddies, and after that I will just add my code. Is it going to the database level or in between it is clearing? So one baddie will satisfy the condition where I will have all the required parameters, and it will those values will go to the target. That means DB level. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So likewise we will find a baddie. Just like
Understood, sir.
this is just like our exit. Last time what we did for exit. So we will went to SMOD and we'll check that our required information is available or not. So in SMOD we just given a package and we check that what are the available exits. So likewise we put a breakpoint here and we're checking what is the list of baddies available. And after that we went to SC18 and we check that okay, in this my required parameters are available now. If available, and we went to SC19 and we'll implement the baddie. So previously we know the baddie and directly implemented. But to reach that place, the first step is we have to put a breakpoint and we have to note down all the baddies, relevant baddies. So one by one, you will get a 20, 30 baddies will be available. You can see all the baddies. Then you can go to SC18. Just check that is it relevant to my requirement or not. Only one will satisfy your condition. So then go to SC19 and just implement. So likewise, I got this baddie which is suitable for my purchase order. Where is it? So likewise, I got this baddie. This is suitable for my purchase order. Then I'm implementing by using SC19. After that, that's a pure ABAP. Once I reach it to the method, which method is suitable, what I am going to write, everything depends on my ABAP skill set. Now is it clear, Dhirendra, especially for you?
Yes, sir.
Usually some
Very
confusion
much.
will be there. So it's
Yeah,
simple.
yeah. Yes.
Anything we missed here actually for finding the places, the three alternatives. It's not fixed actually.
Mm.
So requirement to requirement, it will vary. Which one you have to prefer or which one is suitable. So that depends on the business.
Yes, yes.
So how to find these three, that is important. These three will come under enhancements.
Understood, sir.
Hmm. So this is just like implicit enhancement is directly opening a program and just inserting your code. So it is easy. Risk will be more. It's
Yeah.
not at all preferable. Why? Because if a beginner simply they just add a code and they will see that okay, result is working fine, okay, completed. But somewhere the negative impact will be there. So finding and validating and after that implementing. So just like in SMOD, finding, validating and CMOD, we are implementing. In both the places, we are having activate and deactivate buttons. At any time, if there's something wrong, just first deactivate as a ABAPer. Then later on, you can analyze the code. If you're not deactivating, it will get a dump for all the people. So that's why they have given activate and deactivate button. Why? Because you are handling the SAP standard functionality. So if you did a mistake, if there is any problem, at any time you can deactivate. So I will just check that any theoretical document available for exits, baddies. Definitely, I will have some documents, but don't go in depth actually. So sometimes it will if you are expert in ABAP, then it's okay. But if you are not 100% confident, then this topic you can neglect timing. but you can validate. Somebody developed something, then now you know that how to check the code. If it's a
Yes,
baddie,
sir.
where to check, and if it is exit, where to check. Once you reach it, that is okay. But don't try to implement from your side. Actually, that is the main thing. So it's only experts can implement. So in your project also, don't give the work relevant to enhancement actually for a juniors. Always just to ask for a senior person for doing all the things. But senior person by default he will think all possible options. So which one is better? What is the impact of that if I made a change? The junior people simply they will concentrate on only ABAP. Here it is not only ABAP, it's a functionality. ABAP wise it's a simple actually. What you are writing is simple. Amar, is it creating confusion? Is it okay?
Sir, we will go through this once again.
Ah,
I
there's
mean,
at
just
least a
got the
theoretical.
concept.
Just
Yeah,
go
yeah.
a theoretical point of view at least.